They adored each other. They were best friends, and he was 2 and he was 34.
Jacob Whaley and his son had a bond like no other.
How do you tell a 2-year-old that his dad's never going to see him again?
Whaley's family says around 8:30 Monday night, the 34-year-old's car slid into a ditch in Hanover County during the snowstorm near the county line with Spotsylvania and Louisa. Shortly after, they say they notified the Louisa County Sheriff's Office after Whaley's cell phone showed his last known location on Greens Corner Road in Louisa.
He was trying to find a path through the woods because there's a neighborhood right across the street from the neighborhood that he lives in that he could have gotten to and walked right across the street and would have been able to get home.
Thursday night, a search party found the man dead more than 200 yards in the woods.
He got out of his car because he wanted to go home and be with his dogs. He had visitation with his son. He wanted to go home so he would be able to see his dogs and his son, even though there was no electricity at home.
Both Hanover and Spotsylvania Sheriff's Office tell us their deputies did search for Whaley, but were only able to search within their jurisdictions. Louisa Sheriff Donnie Lowe says his deputies also searched for the man over several days and joined the search party.
I walked for 7 hours on Wednesday, looking for my brother.
Whaley's sister Angela says strangers joined in on the search for the man who always had a smile on his face.
Family members and civilians who didn't even know my brother, they went into the shop and he helped them with their cars. These were people that maybe didn't even know him at all that were willing to look for him.
Now she holds on to the good memories.
I would just make sure that he knows that I love them.
Angela tells me her family is working on funeral arrangements right now, but they did start a fundraiser for his son, his 2-year-old son. I'll post those details on our website, WTVR.com.